Do you want to attract more positivity and abundance into your life? Today I am making a citrine bracelet step by step that you can follow, and it's ideal for beginners whilst unlocking the secret powers of this golden crystal. By the end we'll have a beautiful piece of jewellery that doesn't just shine but also radiates good energy. Let me show you how to do it. Here we have the citrine beads. Citrine is known as the stone of abundance and positivity. It can attract wealth, prosperity and success. It promotes joy, confidence and self-expression. It can help clear negative energy and boost creativity, often called the merchant stone because it's linked to financial luck. And as you can see, they are all different. Now I've also got these. Now these are not available on the website at the moment. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do also have some jewellery that isn't handmade. I just want to say that not everything is handmade by myself. We've got Christmas coming up. It's just me. I have a very small animal rescue. Once all the bills are paid, everything goes to help my fur babies. So please do go and check it out. And I currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. So these are glass cube beads. They're faceted, they've got a lovely shine, and they are a champagne colour. Now these are something that I haven't used before, and these are actually made of olive wood. It sounds just like a glass bead, but it's known for being hard. So olive wood is known for being very hard, and it originates from the olive tree. It's prized for its striking wavy grain patterns and warm colour variations, which makes each piece unique. So it adds a natural elegance to jewellery. Again, these are 6mm. So I've got some 0.6 clear elastic, and I've got some scissors and a ruler. Right, I'm going to cut just over 12 inches, and we're going to give it a really good stretch. If you like the gemstone bracelets, please check out my previous videos that I've just done. They're doing really well. I'm just going to pop a bead clip on the end. So what I'm going to do is use my ruler, and I'm going to create a pattern. Normally I would use a beading tray, but I'm going to use the ruler because my tutorials are for people that are beginning to make jewellery, and when you first start out you don't have all the bits and pieces, but this is completely fine. We've got 6 each of the olive wood for each side. So let's see what this looks like. So let's start beading. This is I've never used olive wood in my tutorials before. So how are you all? Now normally at the start of my videos I'll ask how everybody is. I hope everyone's okay, but apparently that's not the thing to do. You have to create a hook. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hook you in. We have to hook our viewers in. I'm trying to see if I can hook you in. And it's completely, where's the hole? Gosh, where's the hole? There. There's the hole. And it's completely unnatural for me. It's completely unnatural, but I'm trying it. First thing I want to do is check in to see how everybody is. So do let me know how you all are in the comments below, because comments help the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people. And if you don't know what to say, let me know how you are, maybe what country you're watching me from. That's always interesting for me to find out. What projects are you working on? It doesn't have to be jewellery. We all do lots of different crafts, and I do reply to every single comment. So a big shout out to everyone that's placed orders with myself. I've got some USA orders going out today with the tariffs, the new tariffs. Now, if you order from my website and you're from the US, I've got a one-off price that you pay. Now, when you look at the postage label, it doesn't show you the tariff price that I have paid. It does say PDDP paid on there, so you don't have to worry about any tariffs. That's all sorted by me. That's how it should come straight through, hopefully I say. So here's the bracelet. Now, as you can see, it's way too long, so we will have to take off 2 beads. What's this? 7.5 inches, and I'm going to keep it at 7.5 inches. So don't worry, when we actually tie, although we've only got 4 beads on here and we've got 6 beads on here, it doesn't matter, it will all join back together. So there's the beautiful beads. Isn't that stunning? I think that's beautiful. And we haven't used all citrine beads, but we've got some champagne cube beads. Obviously we've got the olive wood beads, so that will make it more cheaper to make. It makes it different. In all honesty, we do really need to try to make jewellery that's a little bit different. I always say, let your creations stand out from the crowd. So how we tie this bracelet? Well, to begin with, we want to bring it all together. So we do a simple overhand knot. And then we're going to do a surgeon's knot. This is my go-to knot for all of my bracelets. I will put an image above for you, but once you have tied those together, we do the same again, but we go over twice, and then we pull that together. Okay, pull together. Remember, we don't want any gaps. And then we're going to do one the other way, so an overhand knot, and we pull, and then we cut those off. If you want to put a dab of glue, you can try and hide the knot inside the bead. I'm not sure if this will hide. It's quite a big knot. No, it's not going to hide in the bead, but it's not the end of the world. So here is our citrine bracelet. So what do you think about that? Would you do it any different? What do you think of the design? So please be honest, let me know in the comments below. Obviously I make these tutorials for you. Without you, my YouTube wouldn't exist. Well, it would, but no one would watch the videos. So let me know what you think. But I think they're beautiful. I think those beads are beautiful. So please remember to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll get notified every time a tutorial goes up. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.